Something feels really off about my setup today and I just can't figure out what it is. So if anyone has any suggestions or thinks it looks weird, please tell me why, because I can't quite work it out. Hello everyone, welcome back. Welcome if you're new. We are glad to have you. We love having new people around these parts. What? My name is Leandra. All of my socials are Lion of a Stone, and today I am gonna attempt to learn how to actually do my hair. My relationship with my hair is complicated. I spent several years with it very short. I moved to England with my hair being very short, and they said to me that I couldn't dye it. I wasn't allowed to for part of my school uniform. So my plan was I'll grow it all out and then I'll dye it blue. And I kind of fixated on that for a long time. I was like, once I get out of school, my hair's gonna be blue, it's gonna be great. Grew out. Didn't look after it because I didn't know how, and I didn't go to hairdressers. I didn't do anything with my hair for ages. And when I finally did get out of school, I booked a hair appointment, and then I was like, I don't want to dye it blue, so I just cut it all off again. And it was a very dramatic transformation. I'll see if I can insert some before and afters here. I definitely have some kicking around, so I'll see if I can find them. And I wore it short again like that for 2-3 years, and then I couldn't really maintain it. I couldn't keep up with it, and I hated when it was at that awkward in-between length, but just I didn't feel like it looked good. I didn't feel like it was right. So I finally decided I'll just grow out. I'll wear it in like a longer but still short hair style, and I've kind of come to this conclusion that this is pretty much the longest I like it. And in fact, I'm actually gonna go get it cut again in probably 2 weeks time and just get a little bit more off, just clean it up, look after it a bit, and also get some highlights put in. I've come to this conclusion here. This is a length I'm comfortable with. It's a length that I can maintain. Right, sorted, brilliant. Except for the fact that I don't know how to style my hair. Because I wore it so short for so long, I never really learned how to do anything with it. So I have learned a couple of go-to styles: a high messy ponytail, go-to, my little space buns. I do them quite a bit because pigtails make me look like I'm about 12, so if I put them in space buns, I feel like it makes me look my age. Probably doesn't. I got mistaken for like an 11-year-old the other day. That was... Point is, I have never really learned how to style my hair, and recently I've been getting a lot of videos of my recommended and a lot of stuff on Pinterest about like how to style short hair. So I thought, you know what, let's do it, let's learn, let's see what we can do. I will link any video or Pinterest post or anything that I look at down below so that you can see them and source them and, you know, credit people because they know how to do something that I don't know how to do. And I'm not gonna pretend that I know what I'm doing. Okay. So the first video I'm going to take a look at is Jordan Lipscomb's recent video, my fave go-to hairstyles for short hair. It's got easy and brackets, which I feel like is a good place to start. Plus, our hair is pretty much the same length. I think her hair is a lot thicker than mine. I have very thin hair, which provides its own unique challenges, but I saw this hairstyle that hopefully you can see. Note for future me, put it here, and I thought it looked so cute. I saw it either on Instagram or one of her other videos, so as soon as she posted this video I was like, I know I'm gonna try it. So let's see how she did it. Wait, okay, so she's curled her hair beforehand. I don't own like a hair curler, a curling iron, what is it called? Because again, I've never really done anything with my hair. So here's a trick I learned on Instagram like 2 years ago, and it may or may not be really bad for your hair, I'm not sure, but to take a pencil and wrap your hair around the pencil and then just like flat iron it. So we're just gonna do that if there's anything that needs like that done. Okay, so she's just pulling as much of her hair as she can to the top of her head. I'm gonna need hair elastics. I was not organized. I don't have anything here. Back. This is everything I own for my hair, by the way. And some like dry shampoo. That's literally all I own. Okay. like I said, my ponytail is not very voluminous, and also not really on the top of my head. Is that the top of my head? I can't actually tell. Okay, so she's kind of just taken some from the ponytail to make like a fake fringe. Would this have been easier to do with a mirror? Probably. Am I just using the camera? Yeah. Okay, so this is the other thing about having it curled first, is that these would already be a little bit shorter, whereas now I've just got a mess. Like I said, I don't have a curling iron, so we're gonna get creative. Let's creatively. Remember that? Remember freaking Don't Hug Me, I'm Scared? So it's got like some curl to it, that's cool. But I think now I'm gonna have to like pull it up and like pin it because my hair's too long. Oh, then she also curls random bits from the ponytail. I am too lazy to do that, I'm not gonna lie, so I'm not gonna do that. So she pins down the faux fringe. Oh, I did that too. We're ahead of the game. And then she's just sort of just like placing it and pinning it, I guess. Just like messy bun thing. Ow! My straightener was right there. Also, I probably shouldn't leave that turned on my bed. Oops, how am I doing? Not great. This faux fringe thing's not really working for me. How did she get hers to look so good? She actually has a curling iron. That's what she did. Okay. Okay. How do I feel about this? I feel like it has kind of like potential, but I just did not execute this well. The trick, I think, is actually curl your hair beforehand. Don't use a pencil as a curling iron, and maybe have thicker hair would help too. I don't know. What do you guys think? Right, so this next video is from someone called Annie's Forget-Me-Nots, and it's called 12 Easy Gym / Workout Hairstyles / Everyday. Okay, so she's, right off the bat, she has much longer hair than me, but this one showed up in my recommended. It's only 6 minutes long. We'll try a couple of them, why not? So all she's done for this one, it looks like, is she's just taken the hair and just twisted it, which, you know, I'm intrigued by. She just twisted it and then twisted that into a little bun. My hair is way too short for this. Let's find out if I can do this. She's just kind of pinning it in. She's here like, I only ever need 2 pins. Girl, how? She says she wears these to the gym, right? Like, in what world is that gonna stay in at the gym? Already my twists are falling out. I don't know how hers start up here and stay so tight. Also, like, this just doesn't feel secure. How does she go to the gym in this? I feel like I could just shake my head too aggressively and it's gonna fall out. I also don't think it's super flattering on me, so thank you. Next. Okay, so she's doing little space buns. Right off the bat, she says she's using scrunchies. That's probably gonna help them look way fuller when you've got hair as thin as mine. Okay, I'm good. My light just fell onto the camera. Love that. I thought my setup was off before, I really do now. I only have mismatched scrunchies, but in theory, the hair is gonna cover all, so then it won't matter, right? Ponytails in. Why does one of them look longer than the other? See, this was what I was afraid of. The scrunchie would kind of peek through. I feel like if I fiddled with this for longer, I could get it to not do that. I've got flyaways down the back, so I'm just looking that up real quick. I feel like this one is the most successful so far, but I also feel like I already do space buns. And also the scrunchies are definitely poking through, so I'm a little bit. Gotta be honest, I've only done like, what, 4 hairstyles? And I'm already just kind of tired. Hairstyle, this is hard. I don't like this. Okay, here's my other problem, right? Is a lot of these require braids, and I don't know how to braid my own hair. So let's try this one. This looks easy. So it looks like all that she has done is taken a section of hair, a quite thick one. How does she do this though? Because she does these twists on both sides of her head. How am I supposed to do that with like, without losing the twist? No? How do they do this? Because it's not like you can just pin that because that twist will just come undone. How do they do this? I feel like I need like a second hand to like hold this. I have 2 hands. I need a third hand. Just sort of pinch them together, and then it looks like she's just tied them. Her hair again is kind of curled, and I don't own a curling iron. Maybe that's something I should look into, apparently. But that's cute. That's just like off the face. I'm just gonna call it here, I guess, because I am tired and finding hairstyles is hard. So here's what I've learned. I did not learn how to do my hair. I found some styles I think are really cute, but like I just didn't do right, I don't think. Like that first one, Jordan Lipscomb, I think it's adorable. I think that it would have gone a lot better if I had actually curled my hair. So I'll keep playing, I'll keep experimenting. Maybe in the future I'll be able to make a video showing hairstyles that I have just mastered. It seems unlikely, but you never know. Thank you for watching. If you liked it, if you enjoyed it, give me a thumbs up, shoot me a comment. It makes my day, helps me out, really appreciate it. And I will see you next week. Bye!